A story of humble beginnings, sharing love and life for evermore, of hope and joy for the future. Like a phoenix from the flames we shall soar. Our message remains so simple. Our intentions stay humble and true. To share our work and our passion, and to help say, I love you. A tradition for all of the ages that has stood to the test of time. It's part of our nation's story, with a message behind each design. Our forefathers gave a direction, a tradition to share with you all. For now and long into the future, we hope to continue to take up our call. Life is a journey, not a destination, or so they say. And the seeds that we plant share a message. For the future, and not just today. We're surrounded by beauty and wonder. That inspires us as we create. But our efforts are fleeting and simple. And nature so enduring and great. And as time marches on, with little regard for either you or I, it stops for not one of us, regardless of how hard we might try. So to show how we love one another, because life is but a blink of an eye. We share in the times of sorrow. And celebrate when happiness soars high. To fill our hearts with wonder. Throughout times where we laugh and we cry. As our video nears its ending, and our story is all but nigh. Our tradition, it continues to inspire us. And our woodcarver's name is Di. We hope that our journey will continue long into the future. And we will continue to help us all say that simple, I love you. Well, I think that went quite well. Fair play. Good stuff.